Hi guys, I'm Mel and welcome to my Venture Journal. Today I'll be replenishing and packing my toiletry bag. So might as well share with you guys some tips and tricks that I've been doing to achieve a minimalist packing. May mga things pa rin akong kailangan i-tweak pero I hope makatulong pa rin sa inyo itong i-share kong video. The golden rule in packing toiletry is no liquids more than 100 ml. So for example, this one is 500 ml. Kung sasabihin nyo, konti na lang naman yung laman and not more than 100 ml, it's still no because 500 ml lang nakalagay sa container. Kasi doon sila nakabase sa container. If you want to support this channel, I have a Ko-fi link in my description box and any amount will do to help this channel, no pressure. This is my toiletry bag and I've used this Suzuki Horen sa Bohol. So far, I've been loving it. The full review of this product will be on the description box. Let's begin with the first layer. Ang ilalagay ko dito ay more on the oral products. Toothpaste, toothbrush, my gargle sticks, and then yung panglinis ko sa mga side ng aking teeth dahil I have braces. And then, dito ko na rin ilalagay itong mosquito repellent na patch. That's the first. Dito sa second layer, more on the skincare. So, I'll be bringing this sponge. So, these are my skincare products. Lahat ay nakasachet from cleanser to serum to moisturizer to sunblock kasi para kapag nakalimutan ko yung products, hindi ako manghihinayang na naiwan ko siya kasi it's just this ones. Pero, of course, I'll be responsible at proper disposing the sachets. Hindi ko siya pwede iwan kung saan-saan. And, yun talaga yung pinaka-downside nito kasi nga hindi siya environmental friendly. As well as the sunscreen. Yeah. So, ilalagay ko na siya dito. And this is my eye cream. It's Good Molecule. Tingnan natin kung masasarap pa. I know, masasarap pa yan. Hirap nga lang. Yun. And the last layer, yung medyo bulk. So, feminine wash. And then, this one is shampoo, conditioner, and lotion. How do I know the difference? Well, actually, nagkamali na ako dito before. Ito akala ko conditioner, pero iba yung texture niya nung nasa kamay ko. So, alam kong hindi ito yung conditioner ko. So, this one is the conditioner. And so far, sa travel ko, hindi siya nasispill. So, nagre-replenish lang ako dito. And I'll show you how I replenish my conditioner. And this is my deodorant, Deonat. So, this is my soap. Kinot ko siya kasi hindi ko naman mauubos yung entire Dove soap. And, nakalagay siya dito kasi yung gusto kong lalagyan ng soap, hindi pa available yung store. Naka-vacation mode ka sa Shopee. So, ito yung pangsabit sa mga hook. Pero, nagdala na rin ako ng ganito para kapag walang hook, at least kayang mag-hook. And let's close it. Oops! It doesn't abot. No, adjust lang natin yan. Aabot yan. See, everything fits. And off to my backpack. Na-update ko na rin yung toiletry packing ko and I'll be also doing my travel essential bag. See you on that video. Bye!